A lot of people have a torn labrum and don't even know it because it's pain-free. You see, a torn labrum can heal in spite of what you might have read. Here's how. With each step, your hip pistons in and out of the socket. That's its normal function, but it needs some restraint to keep the ball in the socket, so your body puts a piece of cartilage around the socket to hold the ball in. That's called your labrum. Now, to support that, you also have some deep hip muscles that contract strongly to suck the ball into the socket every step you take. The labrum and the muscles work together. Now, if the labrum's damaged, it then needs a chance to heal, which means that the hip muscles need to be very strong to suck that ball in the socket so the labrum doesn't have to work as hard. Unfortunately, it's a common pattern over time for people to develop weakness in these hip muscles. So when a good physiotherapist teaches you some deep hip control exercises, that can be a huge factor in your recovery from a labral injury. Many people with a torn labrum are on a waiting list to see a surgeon. Now, if that's you, while you're on that list, don't wait. Get started with a good fellowship-trained physiotherapist as soon as possible so you can learn how to develop your hip properly to give it the best conditions to heal and avoid a potential surgery. And one tip, the so-called clamshell exercise is almost never appropriate in these cases.